chicken liver cashew stew or black pepper chicken liver cashew bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the stew recipes and one of the most unique of the bowl recipes and one of the most unique of the chicken recipes and one of the most different of the chicken liver recipes and one of the most unique of the pepper recipes and one of the most delicious of the cashew recipes. Today we're going to make black pepper chicken liver cashew stew. We have taken around 200 to 250 grams of chicken liver, cleaned thoroughly. The ingredients are around 20 to 25 small shallots, 1 green chili, 15 grams of garlic, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 2 to 3 red chilies, 40 to 50 grams of cashew, 15 grams of ginger, and 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Today we're going to make black pepper chicken liver cashew rice bowl. We have taken around 300 to 400 grams of chicken liver. Put in the cashew and the red chili. You've taken Kashmiri chili and cloves and grind well. Heat the pan and pour in well oil. Let the oil get heat. Put in the shells. Salt a bit. Put in the ginger, chop the onion, Put in 2 curry leaves. Put in the garlic. Saute the garlic. Keep on sauteing. Now put in the ground cashew chili mixture. Try the mix with the rest of the mixture. Put in the tomato pieces. Chopped garlic. Keep on stirring. Put in salt to taste. Caraway saute. Put in a spoon of black pepper powder and a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. putting the chicken liver pieces. Thoroughly mix chicken liver pieces in the rest of the mixture and let this mixture cook and pressure and serve to for 3 to 5 minutes. Put in a green chili and mix and let it cook for 1 minute. Garnish with few curry leaves. Now the black pepper, chicken liver, cashew stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. And black pepper, chicken liver, cashew bowl or black pepper, chicken liver, cashew stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the liver recipes and one of the most unique of the chicken recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the black pepper recipes and one of the most delicious of the stew recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bowl recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.